Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select Quick Selection tool. Click on Select Subject. Select Polygonal Lasso tool. Click on Subtract and follow the process. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in. Follow the process. Click on Add. Press Ctrl and minus to zoom out. Click on Add Layer Mask. Select Pen tool. Follow the same process. Right-click and click on Make Selection. Feather 0.2 pixels and press OK. Make sure foreground color black and press Alt plus Backspace. Deselect the selection. Create new layer. Select Smudge tool. Hold down Ctrl and click on Mask. Click on Sample All layer. Use the smudge tool like the brush tool, but slowly. Deselect the selection. Hold down Ctrl and click on Image layer. Create group. Resize the image. Right-click and click on Flip Horizontal. Right-click on Group Layer and convert to Smart Object. Make sure image selected and click on Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Click on Basic and follow the process. Click on Detail and follow the process. Follow the settings and press OK. Select Background layer, click on Adjustment layer and Solid Color. You can follow this color code and press OK. Select Image and align in center. Duplicate the color layer. Double-click and change color. You can follow this color code and press OK. Select Mask and press Ctrl plus I. Select Brush tool. Make sure foreground color white. Click 3 to 4 times in the center. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font name Bieber's New. Make text bigger and align. Hold down Alt and drag. Double-click and write. Select the Rectangle tool. Make rectangle and align the text. Delete the rectangle. Duplicate the hot dog layer. Click on Layer Style and Stroke. Change the stroke color. Keep stroke size around 6 pixels, and position center. You can follow the same process and press OK. Decrease fill around 0%. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Follow the process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Click on Layer Mask. Make sure foreground color black. Select the Brush tool. Right-click and keep hardness 100% and size around 90 pixels. Right-click on Text Thumbnail and select Pixels. Click on Mask and follow the process. Same process with another text. Deselect the selection. Select hot dog image, click on Layer Style and drop Shadow. Keep shadow angle around 75 degrees. Opacity around 50%. Size around 30 pixels and distance around 35 pixels. Select the Horizontal Type tool. Font name Arial. Font size 30 point. Font style regular. You can write here your website link. I am using this logo. This is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.